Guess who stopped me again? I would like to take the windshield frame off. So Journey is going to help me remove it here in a second. Oh. Anyways. A little gasket in here. It's alright, Bella. Alright, looks like there's a bunch of 7/16 bolts across here. I don't know if they're tapped into the frame or not, so I'm just gonna put the drill on it and see if they come out. And if they don't, we know that they're turning on the inside. And sort of what I'm thinking is the lighter I get the body, when I put it on the rotisserie, the easier it'll be to spin. And then to sort of get all this out of the way. Oh, that's good. Yeah, they're tapped into the frame. So. Again, you guys have done this. You're laughing. Okay, there's another gasket. Oh, and the original color is under there. That would be...
What is it?
Green.
Told you.
Well, but it's still that, I don't know, it's kind of a cool green. See, that looked a little deeper to me. I don't know if it's just because of the
It's dirty.
dirt. This right here is that pretty green, so if you had like the white doors, inside doors, and then the, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
That is pretty.
Be a nice, pretty beach vehicle.
That's what I'm thinking. So,
Wait, where are we going with it?
on the floor, in front of it. Anyways, got a screw that's not wanting to come out. The name of this tool actually slips my mind at the moment. But it's, if you have a one that's Phillips head or whatever you can put in your chuck, you hit on the back. Anyways, it moves it just it gives it the jarring action, plus it turns it just slightly. And so if you got a stuck bolt or a screw, this is a pretty handy little tool to have. Haha! Oh no. Saved it. Well, they have one mark. I'm just going to pull the door frames out. The next time you see it, I'm just going to continue disassembling pieces off of the Bronco so we can start the body work, steel replacement, and just get all this stuff out of the way, because I really don't. When you paint something, the paint is only as good as what's underneath it. And the guy that had it's got rattle can primer all over this thing. And there's no way I'm going to sand it and put good paint on top of it. It's not a smart thing to do.